Hello and welcome to Elite Spatial. Today we're going to look at how to link viewers on ArcGIS Pro. Taking for instance, you want to know exactly what is here without having to stretch your eyes and all of that. So you need to have a higher resolution of the image to get to know what is there. So that's what the purpose of this video is all about. So to do that, we need to go to insert and then we add new map. So just click on new map. Now don't forget that for you to be able to use this feature, you need to be connected to internet, right? So I've added a new map and I'm going to just go to the insert tab, the map tab, and then I'm going to make it maybe a hybrid map, so it will load. Okay, so I'm just going to select imagery hybrid. Okay, so I'm seeing this and I'm seeing this. So the next thing you want to do is to just drag this and bring it. When you see it like this, it means you want it to split in half. So you see it has split it in half. This is the Landsat imagery, and then this is the other one. Now you see, anywhere I zoom within this extent, you see that it grows up to show me this. So if you go to View tab and then you check this, you see it's because I have it. So you see it's not working, but when you go back to the View tab and you click on View, and then you click on this center, so anywhere I go to, you get to see exactly what is on that side, and then you'll be able to have your classification properly done and all of that. So this can be done whether it's on a paper map or anything, as far as you can be able to link them and you're able to see what is on the other side. So thank you for tuning in and watching to this video, and I will see you in the next one.